Today is the day. The day I, Classic Caillou, will create the greatest flood this kitchen has ever seen. I'm going to sneak towards the sink, grabs a wrench, and starts fiddling with the plumbing under the sink. What are you doing under there, Classic Caillou? Oh, just fixing the sink. You know, like a responsible member of the family. But you don't even know how to use a wrench. I do now. I watched a tutorial online. I'm practically a plumber.
Classic Caillou, I don't want to hear about any nonsense. Stay out of trouble for once.
Oh, don't worry, Dad. You won't hear a thing.
Oh, water. What in the world, Classic Caillou? What did you do?
Oh no! It's the sink. It's broken. Who could have done this? Certainly not me.
Classic Caillou, I told you to stay out of trouble. Maybe this will fix it.
Hurry. The whole kitchen's going to flood.
I think the damage might already be done. Classic Caillou, why do you always do this? You know you're going to get in trouble again.
Classic Caillou, upstairs. Now, you're grounded.
But it was an accident.
Go to your room, Classic Caillou, while we deal with the mess.
Fine.
3 days later.
The kitchen is dry again. Well, that first flood was fun, but it could have been bigger and better. Dad was able to contain the water without calling the plumber. This time, I'm going international. This time, I'm going to grab the dishwasher hose and pull it free. Then turn on the faucet.
What Classic Caillou do?
Just improving the kitchen. Don't worry, Rosie, I'm making it more interesting.
Here, take it as high as we can get it.
Classic Caillou. Again? What is going on? No, not again. Classic Caillou.
Are you kidding me? Classic Caillou, didn't we just go through this last week?
I guess it's a mystery how these things keep happening. Maybe we need a better plumber. You did this on purpose, Classic Caillou. I saw you eyeing the sink earlier.
Enough. Classic Caillou, go to your room, again. I can't believe you're floating the kitchen twice in 1 week.
But it's just water. Water's supposed to be in the kitchen.
Not on the kitchen floor. Classic Caillou, upstairs. You're grounded for 2 weeks.
Totally worth it.
1 week later.
You know, Doris, I think Classic Caillou has finally learned his lesson. It's been a peaceful 2 weeks without any incidents.
I agree. He's been surprisingly well behaved. Maybe we can start trusting him again.
This is it. The grand finale. They'll never see it coming. This is an inflatable pool. I will put this under the kitchen table and starts filling it up with water from the sink. When the inflatable pool starts overflowing, water will spill out across the floor. Then I will turn on the water for maximum chaos.
What is Classic Caillou doing now?
Shh, Rosie. It's a secret. I'm making a water park in the kitchen.
Water park. Fun.
Exactly. It's going to be the best thing ever.
What is the noise? No, it can't be.
He wouldn't dare.
Not again!
Classic Caillou. What is wrong with you?
I can't believe this. We trusted you. How could you flood the kitchen again?
Classic Caillou, you've really done it this time. This is the third flood in a month. What can I say? I like water and kitchens. It's a perfect combo.
That's it. No more chances. You're grounded for a month. No TV, no games, no going outside.
A month?
You've earned every second of it, Classic Caillou. Now, clean this mess up.
Fine. But one day, I'll be back. With even more water.
Not in this house you won't.
You never learn, do you, Classic Caillou?
Water park gone wrong.
Later.
Classic Caillou, you're grounded for a whole month. Ugh. This is unbearable. No TV, no fun. Just me, in this boring room. What's so bad about a little water anyway? It's not like I burned the house down. I just made it a little more exciting. A month of this? No games, no TV. I need to come up with a plan. I can't just sit here for a whole month. Let's see. Maybe if I fake being sick, they'll unground me. Or, I could run away. But where would I go? Ugh. How do people survive being grounded? This is torture. I bet even prisoners get more fun than this. Well, there's always plan B. Fine, I'll do something educational. I will play with a stack of board games and do some artwork. But I definitely won't enjoy it. Maybe the water prank is a bad idea. Ugh. I'm so frustrated right now, and I've got a month living like this.